Hello everyone, welcome to BackTech Kingo. In today's video, I will show you the best wall socket extender, the Jingmen ZLD33. It's a powerful yet compact solution designed to simplify your power management at home or on the go. Let's get started. Product features: 6-in-1 multi-socket. No more arguing over who gets to charge first. With 3 AC outlets and 3 USB ports, everyone's devices can power up together, bringing convenience and harmony to your space. Compact cube design. Small, simple, and smart. This cube quietly fits into your home or travel bag, saving space while keeping your surroundings clean and organized. Big help in such a tiny form. High load support. It's strong enough to handle your daily essentials, from your laptop to your hairdryer, without a hint of stress. You can plug in confidently, knowing it's built to keep you safe. Smart IC USB ports. Each USB port understands your device's needs and delivers just the right amount of power. It treats your gadgets gently while charging them efficiently. Fast, safe, and reliable. Master switch control. With one simple click, you can turn everything off and rest easy. It saves energy, keeps things safer, and gives you that little peace of mind at the end of the day. Ideal for home, office, and travel. Wherever life takes you, a cozy evening at home, a busy workday, or a weekend trip, this extender is there to keep everything running smoothly, just like a quiet companion. Safety-first design. Built with care to protect against heat, overload, and overcharging. Because your comfort and safety matter most, every plug-in feels secure and worry-free. Pros: great value as it gives you 6 connection points in one clean and compact unit. Efficient charging, since each USB port automatically adjusts to your device's needs. Space-saving design keeps your area neat and organized without extra clutter. Energy-conscious feature helps reduce standby power use and saves electricity. Versatile for any environment, making it perfect for home office or travel use. Cons: only 3 AC outlets mean you might still need another extender for heavy appliances. The cube design can block nearby sockets if the space is tight. USB ports reach 2.4A, which is great for phones, but slower for large power banks. Final thoughts. When everyday tech becomes a smoother, less stressful part of your life, that's when you feel the real value. The Jingmen ZLD33 wall socket extender helps you plug in, power up, and clear the clutter, whether you're at home, at work, or on the move. Yes, it has its small limits, but for most of us, it hits the sweet spot between practicality, safety, and convenience. If your space needs a little organization and smarter charging, give it a look. Before you go, check the price link in the description, and if you found this helpful, like and subscribe to Tech Kingo. Thanks so much for watching.